Mama, dito na. We're here na in Korea. There's one. Ayan. Super natulog lang ako buong malayan. Ang sarap ng tulog ko, so may energy ako. Intense straight from Busan, Char. Diba kay Popstar kanina, sinundan ko, tapos hindi ko naman na-film. Kasi hindi ko rin sila kilala. Weird. Naiwan ko yung luggage ko inside.
Put it down. When I show up, I'm the one and only. No, no, no. Yeah, I'll pull up.
Hey guys, so ayan, we're here na sa hotel. I love it kasi ito yung elevator. Ito na yung room namin, 1201. So ayan. Ma? Hi! Room tour. Show our room.
Come inside.
Okay, so we have two beds. Single bed and queen. So I think dito ako, dito si Ma. Luggages. Ayan, and that's our toilet. Ang ganda naman yung toilet. And my view. Super lamig. As in 7 degrees yung temperature kanina sa labas. Super, super lamig. Then it hits you in the face. Ang lamig. Yes, Ma. Pants muna kasi naka-shorts ako right now. And then, iikot muna kami sa labas kahit gabi na. Para check out the area lang. Tapos tomorrow, early breakfast. Ayan. Hi, Ma. Hi. So, yun. Balikan ko kayo later. Ma, what are you having?
I have no idea. You have to suggest.
Coffee or banana milk? They have Starbucks. So.
I don't drink coffee at night.
Lamig.
Chicken sandwich.
Lamig. That's our hotel. Tapos dito sa bandang baba, next door. Hindi siya 7-Eleven eh. Happy to see you. I think. Super lamig. It's 7 degrees. Wala na masyadong bukas. It's almost midnight here. So, sandwich lang kami dito sa convenience store. Max is inside. Medyo may sipon siya eh. Ayaw na dito outside. Sobrang lamig. Ang astig pa dito. Ito na yung street ha. Tapos, pwede kang kumuha ng ice cream dito. Kung sa Pilipinas, no? Wala na yan. Dito, kuha ka dito, tapos bayaran mo sa loob. Bukas ba? Ano ba? In fairness, walang kumakupit, di ba?
You showed the ice cream.
Yeah, I showed it. Hey guys, good morning. It's almost 7 a.m. in the morning and today is Friday, October 12. So ayan, we're getting ready na for breakfast. Ayan si Ma. Hi, Ma!
Hi, morning.
Ang aga namin nagising. Parang 3 hours lang ata yung tulog namin. Anyways, ayan, bababa na kami in a bit. So, papakita ko lang. Pag nagta-travel ako, usually, gusto ko yung, kunyari, meron akong ginamit na product na galing sa isang shop or bigay ng brand. Gusto ko yung pinipicturan ko sila, tapos sino-stories ko. Alam mo yun, kasi gusto ko na bibigyan ko sila ng credit na pa-thank you na, uy, dala ko yung bigay nyo na product sa travel ko. Ayan. So, example, itong bihako. And then, ito galing kay Michelle. So, ayan. Actually, nagpapack na rin kami kasi after breakfast, alis na kami. Tapos, pupunta kami ng sa area na malayo daw. Parang mga 4 hours away. So, ibang hotel na naman kami tonight. So, ayan. Sasama namin kayo for the rest of the day. So, ayan. We're here na at the cafe. And, puro kids yung kasabay namin na nagbe-breakfast. As you can see. Yeah. Puro kids sila. Hindi ko alam bakit. Kain lang kami. I'll just get coffee. Tapos andun yung mga food. Medyo late na kami nakababa, kaya ang dami ng tao. But anyway, kakain lang kami.
Hi! We're just done with breakfast.
Sabi ko siya mag-open eh. So, ayan. We're here sa tour bus. And, ayan. I think yung pupuntahan namin next is 4 hours away. So, we're gonna find out.
Remember 3 weeks ago, it's very super hot. When I got the tourist asked me to turn on the AC. Bryan, I feel like very hot. Turn the AC. It's much hotter than Philippines, but now it's so cold. After 1 month, after 1 and 2 months, the temperature go down to negative. And then the snow is covered with the bus and tree and street. Sometimes I cannot find my car because my car already makes snowman. Yes. Many Korean celebrities stay here. I heard Lee Min-ho used to stay there before. Used to stay in the penthouse with the Suji. The price of the this hotel at night per night is over 6,000 US dollars.
Wow. This is Bryan. What are we doing here?
Cross finger?
No, what are we doing here? This is a video.
Video. Yeah, we are just making kimchi and they're wearing hanbok phrase.
Yeah, welcome to Korean house. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Yeah. Okay, everyone, already? Okay. Okay, everyone. Korean and eat kimchi every day. Yeah. Korean radish is from Jeju Island. Okay, and you see, you get the sauce to wrap 1 layer by 1 layer like this. Layer by layer. Yes, mommy.
3,000, right?
Yeah.
Kimchi!
So, hindi ka na naalala paano siya gawin.
The last one. Okay, good job. Yeah. 예뻐요. 예뻐요. Beautiful.
Press her.
Nice. Yeah. You just use this and roll.
The last
Yeah,
one.
the last one, just roll. You have to take, sorry, like this. Okay, like this. And roll like this. Yeah.
Bad student.
One by one, all together.
So, yung mga classmates namin.
Okay.
Successful?
Quite a bit.
Korean chili is more crispy than Japanese nori. Yeah, why?
Yeah,
Because
it's better.
chili is growing on the top.
Very good, very good, very good.
First one, I just open. Yeah, and the crispy.
Sarap.
Everyone, yeah, I will tell the price. Yeah, to come for you.
She likes
Yeah,
it.
but the tax refund you get in the airport or keep in the airport. Yeah, 5% until 9%. Okay.
I love it. I love it. Where's my mother? Ma? So, ayan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Cosmetic Shop. Kasama siya sa tour. So, yung mga demo-demo. Para siyang response. Tapos mga demo-demo ng products doon. Ganyan. Ayan. Bawal kasi mag-film or mag-video inside. Kaya, ayan. Pero, yun. Mga demo siya ng skincare, makeup, ganyan. such a teacher's pet. Look.
Well, Gyeongbokgung Paris.
Where are we going?
Yeah, Gyeongbokgung Paris. Yeah, we can see some royal people lifestyle, and then you can see some building in Gyeongbokgung Paris.
Niloko ako ng favorite teacher ko. Sabi niya, mainit na. Malamig pa rin eh. Mami.
We're freezing.
Sabi niya hindi na malamig eh. Kaasar. Okay, so trivia. Kaya yung iba nagsusuot ng national attire nila is because free yung entrance pag naka-outfit ka. They're trying to promote the tradition. So, ayan. Very nice.
여자 거거든요 다. 왜 입었는지 궁금해서 여기.
아 저희
마지막으로
탑승해서 왔는데
이제 남자 거. This is for the man. This is woman.
Ah.
I just wondering that. This is for memory.
Ah.
하이 생각 하이
Group of high school they want to some remains memories of
okay.
friend. This is a Goryeo Ginseng chicken soup. It's designated Michelin guide.
What's this again?
This is the ginseng alcohol. Yes.
Try it, try it.
I did already. Very strong.
Oh yeah.
It's for the alcohol.
Come on join us.
Ah, it's okay, it's okay. I mean.
Ma.
2 o'clock? Yeah. Put the noodle inside soup. Tomari dates and ginkgo then ginseng already inside of chicken. The rice already inside. This is the baby small chicken. Small baby chicken. Baby chicken. Small baby chicken. You can put it inside here and then you can try. This very good for.
Yan yung ginseng.